Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Just want to talk to you about using fibres in a bog process that we did on this special job. Before we do that, if you could hit the subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. We're building this structure type thing. It's really intricate and the customer was okay with me trying something a little bit different to normal. We've made up this bog mix, which we've just used resin and talcum powder, and we've tried to make it fairly runny so we can push fibres into it. I used some gun roving and then we chopped it up into 2 to 3 inch long strands, and then we sort of mashed it all up, and then we'd push our bog into the crevices, and then we'd get the fibres and we'd just sort of sprinkle it over the top. You see, bog is just talcum powder and resin, and it can just crack very easily, so we're just trying to push some fibres into it just to help it hold it together, because it's going to be a mould that's going to have some serious pull off it. We don't want it to crack on the customer. It's going to be pulling concrete bits out of it. We've mixed up our resin and talc mix, pushed it into the crevices, and then we've sprinkled our fibres over the top of it, sort of pushed it into it as much as we can. I ran some of it along the lines, along the joins, and then we went to a 225 layer after that, which is just a really fine matting layer, and then continued to make the mould from there. The alternatives would be, you could use tissue paper that you can get from your fiberglass supplier. It'd be a little bit stronger because bog mix doesn't have any real strength in it, but pushing the fibres into it would bring the strength back up. The other thing you can do is you can do a few layers of gel coat, but there's no strength in gel coat either. So you're sort of pretty limited. Probably the strongest way to do it would have been to use gun roving and run it lengthways along the crevices and push it right into the crevices, so you've got fibre right into the edge there. That would have taken forever compared to how we did it. So pretty happy with the result. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya.